Hello, children. Today, we are going to learn about animals in the jungle and animals on the farm. The jungle is a large forest with many trees and wild animals. Many wild animals live in the jungle. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Monkeys love climbing and jumping in trees. A farm is a place where people grow crops and keep animals. Many animals live on the farm. Cows give us milk. Chickens lay eggs for people to eat. Jungle animals are wild. Farm animals are cared for by farmers. Can you make the sound of a lion? Can you moo like a cow? Animals live in different places. Some live in the jungle, and some live on the farm.